Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just tap on the volume section, and just to mute the ringtone on your device you should swipe this blue dot to the left side. And also we got the second way how we can do that, but first be sure that here you get selected the volume keys for media. The switcher is turned off, because if the switcher will turn on, you will switch with your volume buttons the media volume, not the ringtone one. So just turn off the switcher and just hereby press your down volume button. Okay, we just should. You can also mute your ringtone volume, and also we can do it by the search bar. Just press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then here you will see the volume panel. Oh, sorry, I just blocked the device. Press your up or down volume button, and just with your finger or with the Samsung pen you can also mute the ringtone volume on your Samsung Galaxy Tab. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.